You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more Italian vocabulary that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. This means from the Abruzzo region of Italy. Abbruzzese. Abbruzzese is how it is said in Italian, so you can say it as Abbruzzese. Abbruzzese from Italian, Abbruzzese, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.